Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a all day clean with me video. But before we get started, I do want to let you guys know that I have collabed with two of my very close friends here on YouTube. So the first person I want to tell you about is Kimberly from Style Mom XO. She has a channel similar to mine. She does a lot of cleaning and organizing and a lot of family vlogs with her kids. She does have 2 kids. She also shows recipes, hauls, all of that good stuff. So the other person I want to mention is Emily from Mama from Scratch, and she recently just moved. So she's doing a tons of moving vlogs and decorating her home and organizing and all of that great stuff. All of the fun stuff you like to watch when someone first moves into a brand new home. It's really exciting to watch her journey. You guys gotta go check that out. So please, please, please go check out both those girls. You guys are gonna absolutely love them. They are amazing women and content creators, and let them know that I sent you. So we're doing things a little bit different today. My son actually gave me an idea. Basically, he suggested an idea to kind of switch my cleaning up. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. It's a little bit new routine where we're gonna go ahead and clean the entire house by just going around and picking everything up, tidying up, putting things back in its place. And that's what we're gonna do in every room until everything is put away. The next thing we're gonna do is start wiping down the counters, the tops, in the bathroom, the kitchen, nightstands, dressers, everything. And then the third thing that we're gonna do towards the end of the video, after we've cleaned up everything, we've wiped everything down, then we're gonna go ahead and clean all of the floors throughout the house. So it's really easy, really simple. You're gonna see cleaning in almost all the rooms. Without further ado, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. So if you guys have questions about some of the products, I do have links down below. These products right here are some of the Grove Collaborative, like dish soap and hand soap, and you just kind of refill those. So I had some of that on hand. I went ahead and refilled a bottle so I can have some hand soap and dish soap up there by the sink. So that's what I'm doing here.
I already played this, not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me, I won. The sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna.
So again, you guys are walking into my room and you see a little bit more of a mess, and that is because we were doing some more camping out days. Ava likes to come into the room and sleep sometimes, so that's why we kind of have blankets and pillows everywhere on the ground and kind of toys everywhere. So that's what we have going on here, in case you're wondering, in case you're new. This is kind of how my house gets messy.
But it's okay. I don't have
So now we're gonna go ahead and clean up my daughter's room. This was obviously the room that took the most time because there was the most mess. So I'm taking all of the dirty clothes out of the room. I'm picking up toys, putting them back in their little cubbies, making the bed, all of that good stuff.
But you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come.
I want to thank you guys so much for the feedback on my last video. You guys were awesome, so sweet, and I loved hearing all of your guys' chores that you hated the most. It was so funny and interesting, the things that I read, and I'm still getting back to comments because it was just a couple days ago, but I just wanted to say thank you. I love when you guys comment and kind of chit chat and conversate down in the comments, so thank you for doing that. I really, really enjoyed reading your comments.
Through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red.
So right here, I'm just kind of going through some of Ava's shoes, and I realized there were quite a few pairs that were too small for her. So I went ahead and took those out and just kind of decluttered down a little bit. We like to donate a lot of her clothes. I just put it in the pile that needs to go to Goodwill. So right now I'm going to go ahead with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner and glass cleaner.
circles spinning out your name. Let me feel again.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you, be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, be with you.
Alright, you guys, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys got a lot of cleaning motivation from this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Here is the comment of the day. Remember to leave a comment down below so it can get featured in one of my videos. Also, don't forget to check out Kimberly or Emily if you guys want some extra motivation. Show some love to them. Let them know I sent you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.